Ada. So today we are going to learn how to filter in R programming language. How to filter in R programming language. So firstly, like in Excel, now you go to your data, you click turn on the filter icon. It's in there. You now use the filter. But in our programming language, it says in our programming language is code. So let's assume you want to do an analysis. You want to filter. Let's say you have a variable. Okay, we are using this diamond data set. This diamond data set. So let me turn it on. Okay. So we are using this diamond data set. So in the diamond data set, so you know that we have different variables name, which is the carat, color, clarity, depth, and so forth and so on. Then if you have to check the data dictionary, we have what each of these column means. So let's assume now in this court now, like we have ideal, premium, good, very good, and so forth and so on. So now let's assume now that you just want to do analysis based on based on court ideal, yes, or premium. You want to analyze this, you want to do your analysis based on premium. So in Excel, you just when you use the drop down, you uncheck the filter, then you select only the premium and click OK. But in this R programming is different. So now this is what we are going to do. Okay, let's say I have my filter template already here. So what you are going to do, let's assume so this filter now, this my template contain the single, double filter and so forth and so on. So I have the single filter. This is single filter when you want to filter only one variables, which is this. Let's assume I want to filter only good. I want to do analysis based on good, called good, the one that are very good. Then if I'm to double, you see how this code is. You are using double equal to identify the one you want to, which is good. But if you want to filter two things or three things at the same time, we use chords concatenate in another concatenate, you see. Then in brackets you now put on the variable that you want to analyze, you want to filter only. So let's do a small okay, let's say I have this. So now I can write this code though, it's not hard. But for easy purpose, we are going to use this. So now I'm using this. So this is the concatenate. Concatenate is we use shift control M. That's if you are using HP, yes, HP window laptop. Then now, okay, so the next thing now is I can filter this way, everything in this. Okay, let me run this code now. So this is everything in court. So now I can rename this. I can rename it as D1. This is for only courts alone. I can say I can rename it as courts. I filtered only courts. So now let's open this and see. So you see what we have. Sorry, I made mistake. Sorry, good. Only good. We filtered only good. Sorry. And this is it now. Courts, we filtered only good. Sorry for my mistake. So now I can okay, we can leave it courts. Okay, let's say good. You can also say underscore courts. This is you rename. So I can delete this. I can also wipe off this. But now we can still leave it. Then let's assume you want to filter two things at the same time. Like I said here, you click this. Okay, we select this. I just want to make it easier for us. You copy, sorry, your normal copy. Then you paste here. So now I want to do okay, my D concatenates. Then I'll run this code. So this is what I will have. I can rename it as G underscore very good underscore ideal. So this is what I want to rename it. I'm using a abbreviation to make it simpler and easier for us. So now you rename it. So this is all I have. You can also save this as an Excel file. So maybe in my next video, I'll teach you how to save it. So in this now, you can also do an analysis. Let's say we want a summary for only quotes. Let's say you want to filter, you have your in analysis that you want to do only for filter for only for quotes for good or people that has the premium. So let me use this because this is easier. So I have my descriptive um analysis already. I'll do Control V. So this is my filter. I will I'll use my D, sorry D, which is the variable name, and concatenate. Then the next thing is to change this. I'm filtering with quotes. Now I want only the one with I want to do analysis only for good. Then I'll select this concatenate when you use a filter, this can go down. Select. So now let's select. We have let's do other all these variables that is here. We have okay. Let's do color. We have color. We have S, right? I think we have something like this. We have Y. We have clarity. Clarity. It is so I just want this normal summary. Then this is a TBL summary just to summarize the table. Then missing text, them and data not available. So this will analyze only for this for for the filter for good only. Only for good. That's the general, both the summary, the numbers, and every other thing. This is what is going to give us. So in a tabular form. So this is what we have. This is remember this is for court and court. This is for court only by good, filtered with good. So now this is what we have the summary tables, the clarity. This is the clarity. This is estimate and standard deviation. Okay, this is median, not This is median, not mean. This is median. Range. Sorry, this is range. This is range. This is median. So, but we can still put in all categorical variable percentage and co. So, which we can actually use this. So, thank you for watching it. In our next video, this is how to filter in our in our next video, we are going to learn how to save these data in Excel